Time.
A player with the first possession. Never 45. De La Cruz, the giant to the corner. 3 points. Number 8. Puts it up and gets to the point by number 8. Harassed by Jupiter. Number 4 to number 12. From Holland Press. 3 points from number 12. To the wing. Number 9 to Debra. 10 seconds to shoot. Puts it over in. 2 points by Debra. Fly Valen. Number 9 passes the corner. Number 7 to the jumper short. Number 4 gets the board. Counter steal by a player. Nebrex from Holland Press. 2 points. De La Cruz dribbling the ball against Nebrex. To the corner, number 15 back to De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz against Jupiter. To the corner, 3-pointer. 2 points by double. De La Cruz, the Digimon from Michano. Back to De La Cruz. To number 15, number 3. 3 points. Number 14, now saying 2 points. Para sa Market area. Debra. His body with Jupiter. Sa ilalim, Grimaco. 2 points. Para kay Grimaco. Ramos. Jupiter. With the top. Number 6 to number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Number 15 with the boot. Narigo to the corner. Perimeter pull jumper, 2 points by number 14. Number 1, De La Cruz. Kick off to number 3, to number 15 from Holland Press. 3 points. Zone defense is applied by the Market area. Number 12, Nangagawan. Ito na naman ang Market. Tumatakbo, De La Cruz. To his body, 2 points. By number 3, assisted by De La Cruz. Number 11, the JJB for Holland Press. David, 3 points. For Holland Press, Malakas. A player gets the board. The crossover, the decisive, and number 1 for number 12. Ramos off the window. 2 points to the mark para kay JJB. Drop pass. Kay De Los Reyes. Dalangin ng Market with the basketball gets it up to De La Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. Remontola for 3. Bang! Remontola, 3 points. De La Cruz on the backboard to Remontola. To number 14, to number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 points para kay number 8. Dalangin against Lacson. Nagtisimon para sa market area. To De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz against Jacobin. Crossing over. Hesitation. Tomira. Foul basket. Foul on number 3. Substitution number 3. And cutting deep out. Bonus free throw coming up para kay De La Cruz. Team of Marquez, back to Neves. To Jacobin, sa gitna. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, ginawa ng paraan. Wala. Marquez with the rebound. De La Cruz. Ika kay number 15, Raimondola with another point. To Raimondola, power on the 3. In and out. Aplaya comes up with it. First comes Neves from the break. Neves puts Germany in 2 points para kay Neves. Raimondola tumanggap. Raimondola to number 8. In and out, JTB with the rebound. First comes up Laya, sa kanyang dulo. Neves, behind the back. Dribbling expedition, gets it up, JTB for 3. Bang, JTB 3! De La Cruz, nagtitimon para sa market. To the line, malakas ang tiro sa labas. Here comes Neves again against De La Cruz. Pushing the base. The hesitation. Gives it up. JTB again. Bang! JTB 3 points! Tayo para kay Marquez coming up. Offensive force from Aplaya. Still hold close. Shot on the top. Aplaya gets with it. And another 2 points. Para sa Marquez Aplaya. Vice Vandas. Raimondola. 5 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. Neves. Neves, dribbling the ball. Torosita, back to Neves. To the wing, number 12. Montelamorin, 2 points. Tumanggap. To number 7. Torosita, 10 seconds to shoot. Crosscourt Park, pass to Neves. To number 7, 2 points. Para number 7. Sarmiento. Narito, base. The Pavilion Trigger, 2 points para kay Narito. to 47, the Mama Playa. Neves. Thinking about it, dumaan sa pin, pupukol ng 3. And Neves 3 points. Crossing the sideline. 100, short. Here's Thomas Marquez. Narito sa kabilang dulo, touchdown para sa Marquez area. Separidad against Sarmiento. To Diaz. Wala. Number 14 with the board. Here comes Marquez on the way. Number 2. Foul basket. There's a foul. Foul on number 4. Pushing foul. Reverse and the push-up for 2 points. in favor of Playa. De La Cruz dribbling the ball from Narita back to De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Narita on 3. Bang! Narita 3-point. Pinahabol ng market. Galhigo to Nebres against De La Cruz. Nebres sa dive. Nebres sa loose. Galani to De La Cruz to Hayut. Nagawan, good ball. Nebres touchdown for 2 points. Back to De La Cruz, step to shoot. Hayut Perez. Pupukol na set. 3 points. Shoot para sa Atlaya. Dumaan sa pick. Nebres. Short. Here's some market on the way. Number 5 gets the loose. Nebres tumanggap. 10 seconds to shoot. JV against number 14. Ramos hesitation. The pick-up. 2 points para JV. 57 to 61 is still in favor of Barangay Playa. Couple. Nilipat pa bago pinabanda. Tapos sa JV, 10 seconds to shoot. Right a pass by De La Cruz, put back by number 14, still one goal. Number 5, short, and shot the Playa on the way. JV. Nomensa, Paul Beckett. Paul number 1, De La Cruz. Second personal foul, De La Cruz. The number 4, Raimondo number 3. In and out. Ramos with the rebound. Raise it up in, 2 points, by number 12. JDB against De La Cruz, sitting away. De La Cruz sa kabilang dulo, malakas. Ito lang ang Playa. 5-on-3 break. Semanidad. JDB to the S. 2 points by number 2. JDB, Separidad, simple, give it go, 2 points. Para ang number 12, Separidad. Sarmento, Sinoret, Regondola, Pumundag. Ang pasa na alintana at naagaw, first stop, JDB, 2 points para ang JDB ng Ramos. 5 to shoot. De La Cruz, puts it up, malakas. Ito na ang Playa. On the way, JDB. Grimajo, Paul Beckett. Paul number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. JDB to Separidad. Reverse. Voila. Playa retains possession. 10 seconds to shoot. Grimajo gets the loose. Against Separidad. Rejects the screen. Hesitation by De La Cruz. Lulusok, masyadong malalim. Ito na ang Playa on the way. JDB to Separidad, who gets the 2 points. Shout out to watching kay referee Jojo Soriano. De La Cruz against JDB. 10 seconds to shoot. Tugalangin. Pupukol ng dress. Malakas. JDB with the rebound. JDB against De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot.